There once was a cowboy who started his own stead. He got himself an incubator, and then he said, "Hey guys, homestead like a pro this spring. Get your automatical digital incubator with all of these features." I'm not getting any paid promotion or anything. This is just me making a video and thing like that, uncovering knowledge and sharing it. I've had a homestead for 4 years, 1 acre land, and I've been trying to make the best use of it so far, and it's been really confusing until it hit me. What is the most used kitchen food item in the world, if I can say it like that? Chicken. Voila. We are about to, this is like a chicken printing machine. We bought the roosters a couple video back. If you haven't liked, if you haven't subscribed, you need to do it now and follow us. This journey just warm up. So we got some layer birds and we put them in a pen, and then 5 months after when they lay the first egg, we brought in a rooster, right? After we bring in the rooster, he might do beer things and thing, brother. The rooster get busy. So now it's time for the incubator, and I want to know that they're fertile. I took a couple eggs. You gotta watch my video. Incubation gone wrong. I took a couple eggs and I test incubate them, and they start developing life. So once I see one sign of life in my homemade incubator, I then reached out to get the professional stuff. See it here, people. It has all the features. Let's start in the front. It's from Ken Buxton. And as I said, I decided to start back up the unboxing because I've been finding some good homesteading utility things you can use around the homestead. As like, for example, these lights behind me. Check out them. I have them in the video. Good for indoor starting your greenhouse, starting your seeds for your homestead. Only cost $100. I forgot the name of them, but check out my channel. We've been doing this for a while and we're just trying to get busy with it. So, back to unlocking life hack. This is a life hack moment, people. Listen what I'm saying. Get yourself 2-3 chicken, a rooster, and an incubator. You can print out 20 chicken and hold them in a small area. Just look up the smallest area recommended, and you can fill it with chicken, and you can process them one by one as you go along. So, you know, we're about to start a revolution. You know what I mean? Homestead, taking back your life, taking back your time, living. We have enough technology to be free, but okay. So, stability at temperature is the only reason this product is here. If I never feel this, because I started, and I had to even break my accent, I was so mad. Because I was doing the homemade incubator and the temperature fluctuated. But it fluctuated a couple times. So this stabilized temperature is what I'm working on. What we're all about. The cangling feature is also well, and the auto rotate. We also have a countdown to hatching and extreme top watering. So you don't have to open it up to get any water inside. And they just repeat everything in more detail on this side. If you can read, you can take it in. As I say, I'm not going to overwhelm you guys with long videos. We're going to just some sweet, short videos and get it done like boom. Okay, remember to like, subscribe, come to my live. We have a whole nother thing going on over there. If you like anime, if you're about, like, you know, Pokemon card, and you know, just chill and chit chat, visit our live. Anyway, back to the video. So now, you ever ask yourself, what is an incubator? What comes in an incubator? Because as I say, this took me 4 years of thinking to even think in this way, which got me upset. Because I'm like, man, you know how much chicken we could have produced, how much egg we could have produced, how much money we could have saved in the past 4 years if somebody had just said to us, hey, you know, you can buy a small incubator and hatch your own eggs. It's like, mind blowing, right? Okay. And the up and up. Let's do this. The moment we've all been waiting for. Wow. This is it here, the instructional manual, how to connect the incubator to power adapter. It is correct that both of the power adapter cord and the egg turning cord have a male connector. Both of the male connectors need to plug into the socket located in the back of the top block control box seen here. So you're gonna have to plug something into the top of the box right here. As you see this, we can identify this by the mark here. So this is how it's supposed to look. And the wires go in, but we're not gonna connect it in this video. Quick little video, just going over what comes in the box. This is the instruction manual. You know how we feel about instruction manual. We love them. There's the key to taking over the world. Remember that. Okay. And so it is, mate. We have our glorious, beautiful incubator. Oh. Okay. This is one of the plug-in adapter piece that was mentioned. I'm gonna set that to the side. Oh, it is attached to it, so I guess everything come out the box one time. Voila. So it's as simple as that. Let's see. So that goes there. And I think this card comes up and plug into, it says it right there. Egg turner and power supply. So this is the power supply, and this card goes into this here. As we can see, our digital layout, we have heating right here, auto turning right there. We have the temperature readout right here, the humidity, the relative humidity, the light candle here. These are the timer button. You have the menu, display days to hatch, and then egg turning, test run, function available for at least 3 days. Okay guys, let me see. Okay, so this sit here, and you set your eggs them here, and you're going to pour your water here. Here is the eating system, a mini fan. I was just thinking about upgrading my design to add a small computer fan, but then I would have to have a module to trigger it when it rises above a certain temperature. I'm gonna make my own homemade incubator, the large one that can hatch 30 eggs and about 100 chickens. I mean, I already have one, but I'm gonna refine it. But anyways, this, guys, is beautiful. It's simple, sleek design. That's it for the unboxing of this video. Please like, subscribe, support us as we are on our journey to 10,000 subscribers. We're almost at 2,000. We'll be giving a giveaway live and once a month. But anyways, just follow, like, watch as we grow the farm. See our journey to hatching our first set of chicken eggs. Remember, it's always good here on the homestead. Boom! I'm out.